Hey Tracie's Place fam, welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I went back. I went back. Gloved up, maxed up, and I went back to Dollar Tree. Not just to be willy-nilly shopping. I know it may seem like that to some, and some may say that that's what it is. But as y'all know, we're getting the backyard together. So I just, got some other things too other than the backyard stuff. But yeah. I'm gonna get into this haul because it is huge. It is huge. This is the biggest Dollar Tree haul I've ever done. The one for Christmas came a little bit close, but this one is the biggest one I've ever done. It's a lot of items, so I'm going to go ahead and get started because I don't want to spend the whole video talking. So it's backyard stuff, other stuff for the house. Not too much stuff for the house. It's mostly backyard stuff. But you can decorate with Dollar Tree items. A lot of people still don't know that. Not a lot of people watch YouTube and see, all of this stuff that you can do. Oh my goodness, all these videos with things you can decorate, things you can make, do DIY. So here we go. All right. First, this is in no particular order because I could not get these bags and stuff together to do it. But I got these little lanterns, mason jar lanterns. I think I got a total of 5. I'll try not to pull out the other ones, but it's a total of 81 items. That's a lot, y'all. But so if there's duplicates, I won't pull out everything. I'll try not to anyway, unless I just don't know what's wrapped up in the paper. But I got a blue one. I think I got 3 blue ones and 2 clear ones, if I'm not mistaken. And you have to wait and see what I do with these in the backyard. So that's that. I believe it's 2 of these. Let me get back the bag. 2 of these plant hooks. So you can hang plants on here, or you can just use this for fence decorations. And that's probably what I'm going to do. I'm not sure yet. But I got those. And then I have this cute tiki bar little sign, and it's going to go near the grill, most likely in the eating area. So that's that. And then I have 2 more stakes that will go somewhere in the yard, and they just, hopefully you can see the end of that, but they're garden stakes, and you just put them down in the dirt. Got that. Okay, now I've been known to do some fake flowers in my yard sometime now, y'all. But I'm going to have real flowers back there. I like to add a little bit of splash. Sometimes things don't grow properly. If you don't have a green thumb, and I have not always had the green thumb, that's why I did it. But these would be filling. I only got 2, so y'all know the other ones is going to be real. These are fill-ins for when something is just, how it looks sparse sometimes. But I'm going to put these here and there for fillers if I need to. I won't even promise that I will, but these are fillers I got. Because I want some splashes of color back there. The colors will be blue and tan for the furniture and everything, but spruces of pink and green, and we'll see. But it's going to be, I'm just excited. I don't want to give it all away before the reveal. So these are metal garden hooks. Got those. I hope I got more than 2. But I got these little stepping stones or decorations. It says Love Blossoms Here. So I got that. These, we have 2 entrances to our backyard. We have 2 gates. So I wanted to kind of get, some signs on the outside coming in. So I kind of think I might use those. We'll see how it looks. These are some DIY planters, and what I mean by that is I'm going to make DIY things out of them. So I got 6 of these, and I can't wait to show you what I do with these. Also, and I think I might use this for my front entryway to my house, on my front porch. I'm going to do a DIY planter with these 2. So can't wait to show you that. Got 2 of those. Like I said, this is no specific order. This is an ice tray with a cover. I've never purchased one before. So I thought that was interesting. I said, let me just get one of those, see what I can do with it. I might make some slushies or something with that. This is going to be part of a DIY. This is a tray, just a round tray. But I have something in mind for that. I'm going to try to go quick, y'all, because there's a lot of items. But I am so excited about the backyard. I'm so excited. We get them trees together and we'll be cooking with grease. But anyway, I got 3 of these planters in blue. And, oh, and I got my tent too. The tent gazebo that goes back there. I already got it. We put it up to see what it was going to look like. Oh my God, and we had to take it right down. But yeah, we make sure it fit on the concrete slab back there. Oh my Lord. And I'm outdone. I'm outdone. This is a little tin flowers and garden planter, or you can put anything you want to in it. We'll see what I do with that. Paper plates. And these are just for either days when I'm cooking and we're in a rush and nobody's doing dishes that day, like we all working or doing something. We eat off paper plates sometimes. So, and I got some tape. I needed some Scotch tape, so I just got some of that. I got some zipper bags, gallon size zipper bags. Got that. Needed some of those from the house. This I just thought was cute. I'm not exactly sure if it's gonna be in the YouTube background somewhere when I do still videos or what. But I just thought that was so cute. Might put something inside, give it some color or something. I don't know. I just thought it was cute. That was a frugal item. Another item. It was time for a little bit of blush, but got some powder blush. I wanted to see what the LA Colors blush look like. So it is in the color Spice. Y'all know I'm loving the LA Colors. The LA Colors is cute. It's cute. It's inexpensive. It's cute. I got some freezer bags, and these are the gallon size bags. Those are the zipper one. I'm sorry, these are the slide locks. So I got some of those. I was in need of those. Oh, I didn't know I got 2 of these. Got 2 of those zipper ones. And I got some cover ups for your, let me see if I'm showing that right. Yes. Cover ups for when you take food outside, or if you're putting it in the refrigerator and you don't have a cover for it. These little plastic covers, they cover your food. So yeah, I hope they're the kind with the elastic on them. I can't tell, but I'll check those out. All right, let's see here. Okay. I was too excited when I seen these because my husband uses my pot holders sometimes when he's grilling, and I like to, there are some pot holders I actually use for cooking, and then there's some pot holders that's just in my kitchen to look cute, that's hanging up on the wall, and they need to stay on the wall. So I got him his own Good Times and Grill Lines pot holders. So I didn't see the big mitt like this rather, with this decoration on it, this pattern. So I just got the plain blue one to correspond with it. So I got that. So he could just go outside with all the other stuff. And it's blue and tan. And so there's a towel too. So got that for the yard. And let's see. Oh, let me get this. Try to do as much yard stuff together as I can. Have y'all ever been sitting in y'all yard and y'all see them big old bumblebees, or either you just want to catch a butterfly or something like that, but sometimes you just want to swat them big old bumblebees away or whatever, do away with them. And I saw this. I said, this is going to be good enough, because sometimes you just want to and this will do. This will do. Even if you can't smack them good with a fly swatter or something, this is big enough where people that can't even aim well, you can get that sucker. Ooh, yeah. So I got that. Okay. I got another kneeling pad for gardening. And then I got some more flexible ties for when we have to tie the crops up to the poles. We have a lot of bamboo growing in our yard. We have bamboo sticks in our yard. If anybody else has bamboo growing, y'all let me know. This must have been a bamboo farm or something before this house was built or these houses were built. But yeah, so we don't have to buy poles and different things. We have bamboo, so we can tie stuff up to that, like our tomato vines and, you know, different things like that. I also, for some DIYs, got the Spanish moss. So let's see what I do with that. I got some more gloves. You probably have seen these before because I've bought 2 pair with this design. I just thought this was so cute. And blue is going to go with my Decor. I know I'm matchy-matchy. So anyway, I got some of these. These are for, I'm going to try to get my daughter back there, y'all. Teach her about gardening a little bit this summer. So she don't know, but these are for her. Okay. This is also going to be a little surprise. But this says pool. We're not doing anything big grandiose, but I saw this. This is so cute. This is so cute. All right. I have marbles. I got about 6 packs, I think. Blue, clear. And I will probably go back and get some green. I think green will look pretty mixed in there too. I think I got about 4 of these little LED tea lights. And these are going to go in some of the DIYs for lighting back there. Yes. So let me put this in there. We have twist ties with the cutters. This will be for more things for the garden. I got some serrated pruning shears. And I hope these work well. You know, I hope they're not cheap Dollar Tree shears, you know. Usually it doesn't take much to cut, you know, those stalks and different things. But anyway, more marbles. Okay. Switching up just a little bit. Sure Sense. Now, I have never seen this. Y'all let me know if I had just been looking all over it. But this Sheer Sense, they have it in lemon. And I never saw that at Dollar Tree before. I never saw this at Dollar Tree before. But, let me see. Let's see. That smells pretty good, too. I'm going to have to spray the Glade and this side by side to see which one I like the best. But it does have a lemony smell. It smells good and fresh and lemony. So y'all know I love lemon. I love lemon. Got some storage quart bags. Not needed. Just want it. Russell Stover caramels. Chocolate covered caramels. And I got some Dawn. I've never tried this platinum before, so I got that. And then I've never tried this either. This charcoal and citrus from Ajax. I wanted to try it. Let's see. That smells good. That smells really good. I got some zest. And I got a pastry brush for when my husband's barbecuing back there. I got it in green. So, you know, it's going to be the greenery back there, the blues, the tans, like I said, maybe splashes of pink or something like that. It's going to be so cute. It's going to be so cute. Okay, I got more. Okay, these are more of the lanterns, so let me try not to pull that out. Okay, this is something different. I got these. These are so cute. They'll be so cute at dusk and nighttime, lit up. I'm going to put the tea lights in there, and oh my goodness, that's going to look so cute. And I was hungry when I was at the store, so we got some, yeah. Got some Nico peanut butter sandwich cookies. Y'all, these are so good. Let me take these out because I had opened them. They don't need to be open in the bag sitting around in the house. Okay, so I got that. Okay, go on to the next bag. I got some foam just in case I have to use it for DIY. So I got that just in case. I think I already have some in the basement and some of my storage cabinets. But I got these for my daughter. Y'all know she's AKA, so when she goes back to school, she'll have an apartment this time. So I wanted to get these for her refrigerator since they're pink. And that way she can, you know, it could be a grocery list. You can write her stuff down when she goes to the grocery store. But y'all know, these little fancy kids with these iPhones, probably she'll put it in her notes or something. But I just thought this was cute. So I got 2 of those for her. Got some ballpoint pens in black. I purchased these before and they actually were really good. So I got some more. Another thing of hooks. And okay, these are for me. Shopping list. And I keep my shopping list on the refrigerator, you all, so that when anybody sees that we're out of something, they can write it down. So it's just not my responsibility then to say, Mama, we was out of such and such. Yes, Mama's supposed to keep up with a lot of that, but a lot of times I haven't checked everything. The freezer, you know, right before I leave out. So I said, write it down, or you might not get it. So I got some Lysol Clean and Fresh. This is in, oh goodness, this is lavender field scent. So you can clean your toilet. Somebody told me you clean your shower with this too. So, multi-purpose clips. I got some of those. And those were basically for, we bought some grill covers. We have 2 grills in the backyard. And one of them might be a little bit too big for one of them. So got some clips so you can gather it at the bottom and clip it so that when the wind comes, it won't blow it all out of whack and off the grill. One more bag. Oh, that's it, y'all. It's one more bag, but it's the same stuff. I got several, like I said, several of these glasses and stuff for the backyard. So that is all, you all. I went through that pretty quick, I think. I went through that pretty quick. So I'm glad. All right, you all. Y'all be blessed. Please share this video if you'd like. If you know someone who may like this, who you know loves Dollar Tree, share this video with a friend or family member. And y'all come back. Come back and visit at Tracie's Place. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of the Tracie's Place family. All right, be blessed, and I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.